In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos on Dola AI app. So there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is at the very bottom middle where it says create. You want to tap on the plus button, and then from here you can switch to image top left, and you can then go and tap on the reference. And when you do that, you can basically upload your photo. So I'm just going to upload a random photo I have over here. For example, I'm going to upload this one. There we go. And as you can see, I've uploaded my photo, and now I can go and generate whatever I want with it. I can go and generate like maybe a video, an image. I can go and change the style, make it like whatever format you want, etc. And of course, create something out of it. So that's the first way to upload a photo. The second one is go to chats, bottom left, and then open any chat. So you can go to the top right to start a new one if you want to as well. And then in here, it's going to allow you to, whenever you tap on this message over here, so the chat box at the bottom right, you can find the plus button. If you tap on the plus button in here, you can see photos. So we can just basically tap on photos, and it's going to find the photo, select the one you want. And then from here, as you can see, you'll be able to edit the image, solve it. You'll be able to see what's this, or you'll be able to basically ask whatever or regenerate something else. So that's how to upload photos on Dola AI app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.